So in this video, I'm going to cover the Week 1 quiz short lecture. In this talk, I will talk about essay structure. In English, all essays that you write all have the same basic structure. An essay has 3 parts: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Narrative, persuasive, expository, and comparison-contrast all have the same structure, but with some differences that I will go over later in this class. Nevertheless, all essays need an introduction, body, and conclusion paragraphs. The number of body paragraphs depend on how many points of support you want to include. If you have 3 points of support, you write 3 body paragraphs. If you have 4 points of support, you write 4 body paragraphs. For your illustrative essay in this class, you will write 3 body paragraphs and have 3 reasons for your essay. Each paragraph reflects one basic idea. Each paragraph should have 5 to 7 sentences, and each paragraph has 3 parts: a topic sentence, main idea that relates back to your thesis, supporting sentences that support the topic sentence, and a concluding sentence that concludes the paragraph. The different parts of an introduction are the hook, background information, and the thesis statement. The hook is the first sentence that grabs the reader's attention. The background information, or bridge, are usually 5 sentences in the middle of the introduction that give context to the thesis. Then the last sentence of the first paragraph is the thesis statement, which states the main idea of the essay. The thesis states the main idea of the essay. The hook only occurs in the introduction paragraph and does not occur in the body paragraphs. The middle part of your essay will consist of body paragraphs. The body paragraphs will have supporting details that support your thesis. A hook is not considered a supporting detail in a body paragraph. Hooks only occur as the first sentence of the essay in the introduction. Supporting details for body paragraphs include information from another source, expert opinion, facts, statistics or figures, examples, descriptions, definitions, quotations. In your conclusion, you will restate your thesis as the first sentence, summarize the main points of your essay, and you will end with a strong statement such as an opinion, prediction, or suggestion. You should include all of these options in your conclusion. So in your conclusion, you're going to summarize the main points of your essay. You're going to restate the thesis, main idea, as the first sentence of the last paragraph. You're going to end with a strong statement, such as an opinion, prediction, or suggestion. So that pretty much finishes your conclusion paragraph. When you write your thesis, you have 3 parts: topic, opinion, reason. So topic, abortion is immoral. Opinion, because. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. So that the 3 reasons in your thesis statement become your body paragraphs. Then you have your conclusion. This is known as the 5-paragraph essay structure. When you have a thesis statement with matching body paragraphs, we call this kind of structure a 5-paragraph essay structure. Here's an example. Exercise has many health benefits, including increased blood flow, weight management, and improved mental health. And so here you have increased blood flow as paragraph 2, weight management as paragraph 3, and then here you have body paragraph. The next body paragraph, exercise improves mental health. So the thesis statement has 3 body paragraphs because each body paragraph equals one idea. You would write 1 body paragraph for each topic that is listed in the thesis statement. When you have a thesis with matching body paragraphs, this is called the 5-paragraph essay structure. Now we're going to do the practice quiz 1. If you can score a 100% on practice quiz 1, then you're ready to take the actual quiz in your classroom. All types of essays have the same basic structure. That's true, because all essays have, what are the three parts of every essay? Every essay has an introduction, body, and conclusion. So these first three are the parts of every essay. So choose three. It's introduction paragraph, body paragraph, conclusion paragraph. How many body paragraphs should you write? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Well, the average thesis statement has 3 reasons. Therefore, you will be writing 3 body paragraphs. If you have 4 reasons, you're going to write 4 body paragraphs. But for our class, you're just going to stick with 3 reasons in your thesis statement. Therefore, those 3 reasons translate into 3 body paragraphs. What are the three parts of an introduction? So the 3 parts of an introduction: the hook, the background information, and then the thesis statement. There are only 3 parts to an introduction. The hook is the first sentence that grabs the reader's attention. Then you have to have 5 sentences of background information. And then you have your thesis statement, which is the main idea of your essay. What exactly is a thesis statement? Your thesis statement is the main idea of the whole essay. For your thesis statement has topic, opinion, and reason, and serves as the roadmap to your paper. Which is not an example of a supporting detail that you might write in a body paragraph? Oh, that's so easy. Hook. The hook only occurs in the introduction. It doesn't occur anywhere else in your essay. For the hook is the first sentence that grabs the reader's attention. In the conclusion, you should summarize the main points of your essay. You need to restate the thesis, and you end with a strong statement, such as an opinion, prediction, or suggestion. So those are the 3 things, because in our conclusion, we want to wrap up our essay. And we wrap up our essay by restating the thesis as the first sentence of the last paragraph. Then you write 5 summary sentences that highlight what you've already written about. You don't want to add any more new information, because you're wrapping up what you already wrote. In other words, you want to write the takeaway lessons of why that reader read your essay. Imagine an essay about exercise with a thesis statement below. How many body paragraphs would you expect? So here the thesis statement is: exercise has many health benefits, including increased blood flow. Okay, that's 1 body paragraph. Weight management, that's 2 body paragraphs. And improved mental health, that's 3 body paragraphs. So you got to have the 3 reasons to match the 3 reasons in your thesis statement. So the answer to this one is 3. In an essay about exercise, where would this quote be useful? Exercise is the best medicine for the body and soul. Supporting the details in a body paragraph, the hook, the final sentence of the essay, any of the above. If I were to write this essay, it would be any of the above. But let's see what this quiz says for number 9. So you can find the answers to the quiz down here. So here it says D. Oh, okay, any of the above. All right, that's what I said. Okay. In an essay about exercise, because I looked at them, I'm like, well, yes, I could write that as a supporting detail in a body paragraph. I can write it as an introductory hook where I grab the reader's attention, and I could write it as a takeaway lesson as the final sentence of the essay. So when I looked at that question, I'm thinking, yeah, I could do any of the above. And just like I've said in my forums, when I write a paper, I visualize it in my head. So as soon as I saw that sentence, I was visualizing a paper in my head, and I was thinking, yeah, I could put that anywhere. So that was D. Okay. What would the structure for an essay about exercise with the following thesis statement? In other words, how would your body paragraphs look like if you used exercise has many health benefits, including increased blood flow, weight management, and improved mental health. So what kind of essay structure would you use? So here you have blood flow, weight management, and mental health. So you got to make sure that your body paragraph would talk about blood flow, weight management, and improved health. Well, this one doesn't quite work. It's unhealthy, waste of time. That's not it. And then it's exercise is good for you. That's not quite it, because it has nothing to do with increased blood. In other words, it's got to repeat. Okay, it's got to be the same thing as your thesis statement. So this is not the same. This is not the same. Oh yeah, it's this one, because this one's the same. It increases the blood flow. It's got weight management. It's got mental health, and therefore this is correct. And I think this one, they're trying to be funny. Clowns are scary. Clowns wear masks. Someone's obviously has a really funny sense of humor by including this as a possible answer. Yeah, right. Like, no one's going to fall for that one. Anyway, so here you have, this one is the correct answer, because you want your body paragraphs to match your thesis statement. When you have a thesis statement with matching body paragraphs, then you have 5-paragraph essay structure, and you also have essay coherence. And then you can have all of these answers down here. If you're not sure what the answers are, you can just look it up over there. And so if you have any questions, you can always email me on how to do this.